Nothing like arriving at Tenganan. It's a bit like walking up the stairs at Uluwatu, because you know when you get to the top there's going to be courtyards of exquisite beauty. Today is the Perang Pandan, the second day of the Perang Pandan. The unique shade structures of Tenganan. Asli diki? Dawan ngai, dawan sing meniki masih ngai. Ampun matrang sembah. Ampun reka. Ngai. So here we have a little group of the tourist domestic. Belum pernah lihat Perang Pandan. Belum pernah. Nanti ikut aja.
Ya, nanti saya ikut.
Ya, cocok kan?
Lawan ya.
The unique uncles of Tenganan. Look, they're going to give me some tuak. Took some more. These wonderful people who've given me pork and tuak. Quite merry now. Nggih wonten api. Ana montor sira, montor Prabowo.
Niki pecalannya teman.
Ini payas pecalang kurang Tenganan. Tahun depan harus Tenganan beliau. Ini cara PKK itu. Ampun. So we're talking about the wonderful Mangku Widya, the hero of cultural preservation in Tenganan. Kan ragane Pak menyumbang untuk pelestarian budaya di sini. Tokoh budaya masih. Talking about how his son Wiratnyana. So I'm going to. That's my quest today, is to find Mangku Widya's son, offer my condolences, and interview him. So by great fortune, I've bumped into Mangku Widya, the late Mangku Widya, son. Sekarang kuda samatan. Lanang kali. Papat lanang. Who had 4 sons. So he's now replaced his father, his illustrious father, as the head priest. Sekarang kali das Mangku Gede mangkin. Yes. Oh yeah, the first son and the last son have become sekarang kali urus kumi. Nggih. Makasih. So there's a line of youngsters here, but they seem to be being entertained by a counsellor from Gay Rotary Canggu. Pilin malu.
Ini semuanya dari Tenganan
Dau Tukad.
dari tetangga.
Ibu saking dangin Tukad. Tan.
Dari Candi Dasa.
Oh, Candi Dasa. Asal saking api.
Asal Semeton Bali.
Asal dari mana?
Belanda.
Belanda. Oh, mati yang Belandanya. The company, yo. Sing company, yo. Laibio sing manibin. Iya masapat sakti so. Kebar ya bisa. What a great scene. And the official press corps outnumbering the warriors. Marang anak digega. These exquisite costumes with the floral carmen, and then the saput, and then the sabuk, and then there's no gringsing. This is all kain Bali kuno. Now here's Andrew de Jong, author and photographer of Men of Indonesia, beautifully dressed in Batijimba drag today, and flip-flops. Poor darling, she's from Wollongong. She doesn't know better. I told you to dress up. I told you that Balinese dress was mandatory. So just in time for the procession of the lovely things, beautiful. Wait. Ni punya apa pecalang? Huh? Nene paling. Oh, this is gorgeous. Mario always in the pole position. A picture in mauve today. Swastiastu. Gagah Jenny. Oh, this is just so gorgeous. Pun merahong mangkristri. Masalah. Doesn't get better than this. The brooches are getting a bit too big. beautiful. Down onto the stage. What a wonderful thing, and the man's still with the Christmas. Oh, they're all scarred from yesterday's battle. All these scarred backs. That's the old traditional Indonesian way. Dear old grandbag hunchback up there doing his thing. Oh, it's a great day for wearing a thong. It's a great day for moving it along. So the stage is set, the ring. Waiting in the Bali Temuan. The procession of boys is coming down the ramp. The warriors are coming down the ramp, and the monk over here is blessing the warriors' offerings. Right, here's the first white umbul. God, it's bigger than Ben-Hur. That's the old Malay tradition. They do that in Aceh. Another Bali style. Atrang ayah tukang foto. They're amazing, weren't they? Ah, I've got sunblock in my eye. Very pretty. Stud muffins with yellow umbrellas. That was pretty amazing. All the girls were screaming. This is this is the second day. Because last year I was here on the first day. Very pretty. Following these girls. Dini kalali wani. Dini kali truno. Tan. They're going up to the banjar. The girls keep screaming. That's so beautiful. Kencang kalian nak lingsir. Sampurna besliunan desit di tangani lang aslin, eh? Ki ampun berkarya asli becek. Was just discussing the need to preserve the brick architecture, the special architecture. I hope everyone doesn't start going to the gym. It's not a good look, is it? I mean, if Andrew de Jong sees that, he'll wet his pants, he'll wet his panties. Incredibly beautiful decoration on these old shrines in the Pura Banjar. Unique offerings of the Tengananese. And the lovely Gringsing Lamaks is the chief pamanku of this temple. Oh, I've got the video on, completely gorgeous. My friend Made is showing me his grandmother's rumbang. Very long, particularly a long one. Beautiful. Reminds me it's a Chinese pattern. Oh. Pak sira pasangan? Oh, look at these. They're flying, these boys. So I've invited myself to lunch. 10 minutes the show starts. Memang hari kedua lebih lama ya, lebih sore baru mulai kan? Bagus. banyak acara ke Pura Banja. Bagus. Konsumnya kata. So exist. Exist. Terus ni buin apa? Exist. Narsis sing ada. Sing narsis. Sing ada tongsis. Tunin tongsis. Tongkat narsis. Tongsis. Wow. No, but how are you doing? So the ladies are coming back from the ceremony. Ini paling seni payasnya. How beautiful is that? And where are you staying?
Candidasa.
In Candidasa. Madhawijaya. What's your name?
Anna.
Anna.
Putu Anna.
Putu Anna.
And you, where are you staying?
I'm in Mertasari in Sanur.
In Sanur. Long way. Job. Yeah. I have a Facebook page for Tenganan Tukat village.
Oh, good. I'll have to have a look.
And I love Candidasa.
Wonderful. And you're aware. You're aware of all the work of Urs Ramsay here, his book? Yeah. So I just had a sort of an hour off following the procession. Ended up at Muddy's house, who's finished to work for Stephen Little. And there were 4 very drunk men in a pavilion who you've probably seen an interview by now. And Muddy's walked slowly back. He's going to, he's going to do this. Sometimes you do get enemies like that, having a real go at each other. What a scene, late afternoon. That beautiful, haunting slonding. They're on this side, they sound as if they're on this side. And today the girls have been screaming, the young maidens. Pretty good, no? Cara malen. Da. Don't ask me, Ale. Gala, oh, that's great. What a great one. Tenganan warrior with Tong Sis. Tongkat Narcis. Press corps. They're really coming out of the woodwork, literally, the press corps. More telephoto lenses than you can poke a stick at today. What a crowd. It's like immigration at Denpasar Airport with cameras. I've seen so many cameras, like lemmings. Ooh. Oh. Oh my God, cara grinder. Wah, wait a snicker day by you, ne? Wah, Matiang last, ne? Bit of S&M there, they're not even fighting, they're just scraping. The youngsters are crazed. Whoa! What a combination of martial arts, great costume, beautiful girls, incredible architecture, extraordinary setting, hills behind. Press corps. I love she's got a flash on. What a beauty. This is all training for the revolution against the Canggu Villa people. Ah. Okay, it's a titleweight bout. There's a very spotty German tourist clutching his pandan in the crowd. He's going to perform. Ooh. It was English. Definitely English. Oh, a horrible pimply pom. Hooray! Hooray! Royal Company! Oh, high five. My mate from, I forget where it was, from someone here, Greg, my mate Greg. He's in the same outfit. I don't think he's had a shower for the last 2 weeks. How's it going? Good to see you again. Hello, darling. Neighbor, heavy petting in a temple setting. Rayawang no masuk film ah. Simbangin nama HP ya. Pun ngelak ya. Timpal. I should photograph this every year as a sign that there's hope in the world of architectural conservation in Bali. This is the wondrous first temple as you come in. It just has not changed one rock in the 40 years I've been photographing it. I think the girls know that the scarred back is a very hot look. She's warming up there with that handbag. Up with the side view. Up. Picking the pandans out. Nisa ni ne. Sakit ya. Ini Pak, kedua ini. Kenapa nih Pak? Kenapa?